In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Google Maps in just a few simple steps. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Maps website at maps.google.com or download the Google Maps app from your device's app store if you're using a phone. If you already have a Google account, tap or click Sign In and enter your Google email address and password. If you don't have a Google account yet, select Create Account and follow the prompts to enter your name, choose a Gmail address, create a password, and verify your phone number if required. Once your Google account is created, sign into Google Maps using your new account credentials. After signing in, you'll be able to save favorite places, create lists, leave reviews, share locations, and access personalized map features across your devices. And that's it. You have successfully signed up for Google Maps, and from there, you can start exploring right away. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.